Hello! Ugh, man, I love me some Soundcore. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This, my friends, is a pretty monumental day. You see, Anker Soundcore, they didn't email me, they didn't say what's up, they didn't do none of that. They just sent me this beautiful package at my doorstep. Anker Soundcore, my goodness, they have been so good to the channel. They have sent me so many awesome products, and I just can't thank them enough. I think this is probably the 5th or 6th item that they've sent my way. And, you know, honestly, if their products were crap, I would tell you guys, but they make some excellent products, and I'm dying to find out what's inside this box, as it'll be a surprise to me as well as to you guys. So down in the description, I'm gonna put links to all the products that they've sent my way, as well as whatever this is. So make sure to check them out because they make some excellent products. So without further ado, let's check out this massive box that they sent my way. Okay, so the front of the box, it says to join the audio escape. I wonder what that means. At the bottom, branding, Soundcore. Yes, please. Side of the box, nothing. The back of the box, nothing. The other side, nothing. So let's pop the top, I guess, and see what we got inside. All right, here we go. Oh, what? What? New product launch event on January 12th. 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. GMT, which I think is General Mountain Time. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's pull this tab. Let's see. Look at that. Like a turntable. What in the world? What is this? A little guitar case? What the? What? Oh my goodness. What in the world? This is so cool. Wow. And it comes with a little cloth too. And a stand to put my guitar on. Let's see, can we do this? What in the world? Here we go. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. All right, and back here, so we got a pick. All right, so it looks like it's got turning of the time, 2020 to 2021, Soundcore on one side. Then on the other side, it's got their logo, their Soundcore logo with like rays shining out from the logo. That is so cool. Of course, you can't use it to play on this guitar, but probably use it on a regular guitar. Okay, so let's see what this is. Join the audio escape. This card says, we're excited to invite you to join the audio escape. Be at soundcore.com on January 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, or 5 p.m. General Mountain Time. You don't want to miss this. The Soundcore team. I will not miss this. This is awesome. And let's see what this is. Oh, let's say they gave us a t-shirt. I wish they would have asked me for my size because, yeah, 3XL, much too big for me. But cool, hashtag audio escape. And then it looks like we got some stickers. Hashtag audio escape. So it's something to do with music. Well, of course, something to do with music, but something to do with the records, maybe a DJ system or something. I don't know. Cool, very nice. Now let's see, is there anything else in the box? Nope, I believe that's it. Yeah, cool. All right, so there we have it. What a neat, cool press release idea. I don't know what the product is gonna be. I'm guessing it's something to do with records. That's my guess, but I guess time will tell, and we'll find out in January. Whatever it is, I hope Soundcore reaches out to me once again, and we could do business, and we could feature some of their awesome, amazing products here on Handsome Gadgets. But don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, as it definitely helps out the channel quite a bit. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Handsome Gadgets. Thank you and have a good one.